How to fix Facebook page showing only followers and not like. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this process. First thing first, let's go ahead and make sure our application is updated. Head over to your Play Store, type in Facebook. Tap onto your Facebook, and if you see update here instead of open, you have to tap on update and update your app. Now, once done, open your Facebook and make sure that you have correct access in order to access this page. For instance, this might not be your page as a whole. You might just be a moderator or a collaborator. So make sure that you have all the access that you need for this page. Now here, tap on three-bar icon. Scroll below, tap on Help and Support, Report a Problem. Tap on Report Problem again. Tap on Include, select Pages, and simply type in that even though you have all the access for your Facebook page, you are not being able to see the option of like. Once done, tap on Send button. And wait for a couple business days in order for Facebook to contact you back, and this shall fix the problem. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.